Since you know it's Rastafari Soldier, yes, and I'm here with another lesson. As you see, I'm here standing right by my papaya tree, and this one called All Fruits Ripe. Ladies and gentlemen, as I showed you my papaya tree a few months ago, and as you see, they're coming along very well. Yes, I got the fruits right here ready to be eaten. This is what we call organic papaya. So remember, I'm gonna be picking this soon. Matter of fact, in a few minutes. So remember, it's Rastafari Soldier. I'm saying that you reap what you sow, and you know, goes around, comes around. Invest in yourself, invest in your property, invest in your fruit tree. It's Jamaica's farm in general. Rastafari Soldier, aka the Crocus bag, saying it's time for the reaping. Like Jonah Reed says, all fruits ripe, shake the fruit tree. Yes, a fruit is here for me and you, cause we plant it. Yeah, that's true. Big up yourself, my family. Big up yourself, my country. It's Rastafari Soldier saying red, green, and bolder. Boom bang.